What's going on, everyone? It's Cam here, Senior National Training Manager at Diode LED. And as you can see, today we're going to be talking about the art of backlighting. And honestly, we would not be here today if it wasn't for you and your collaboration and all of the beautiful projects that you saw that we showcased some of them. Obviously, there's so many more that we could have showcased where we got to partner with you and be able to really kind of help design some of the most beautiful projects out there. Let's get into it. I'm very excited. Again, my name's Cam, Senior National Training Manager at Diode LED, and this is our reel-to-reel on the art of backlighting.
Your feedback is shaping how we teach, design, and build tools to make backlighting solutions easier to manufacture, specify, and get right. In today's series edition, we will explore the art of backlighting, a popular application and lighting design technique, by reviewing the Diode LED product solutions developed for this trend. We will also delve into uncharted territory, journeying beyond just the what, our product solutions, and into the how, by discussing various system design best practices, project management essentials to ensure a professional transition from specification to build, and the installation tips and tricks of the trade our team has learned throughout the years from the partnerships we've established working on the very projects we showcased in the beginning. Experience how illumination becomes intention. Come join me on this journey as we explore the art of backlighting. Let's recap and update you on our specialty backlighting solutions, our light guide panels and PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets. For a more extensive overview of the product specifications for these two backlighting product solutions, be sure to check out our past dedicated reel-to-reels on light guide panels and PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets on the official Diode LED YouTube account, uploaded in our ever-expanding reel-to-reel series playlist. We currently have 28 videos available in the YouTube playlist, continuing the original focus of offering monthly 15-minute in-depth technical training on single product solutions or product families. Our mission has never wavered: to educate the world on the importance of choosing quality lighting without sacrificing flexibility and customization attainable through linear lighting solutions, bringing reels of tape light to real life. Light guide panels are designed to deliver smooth, even backlighting in a thin profile. Light evenly emits from the edge of the custom fixture and is redirected across the panel via precision-etched patterns, pushing it forward in a controlled manner. This makes light guide panels an excellent choice for applications that require even illumination in a slim space. These installations often include architectural features, signage, and artwork, and different types of translucent stones and acrylics. We can now make larger panels here, domestically and abroad, with our maximum size capabilities reaching 54 inches by 96 inches. We offer these panels in a variety of CCTs, dynamic color changing, custom shapes, different diffusion options, and even frameless options to create edge-to-edge lighting. Whatever the architectural constraints, we can engineer and customize the shapes and forms of these panel options to provide even illumination in any space. We are currently developing new technology to make installing, ordering, and servicing panels much easier. Stay tuned for this patented, industry-shifting backlighting system. It will be yet another solution designed and engineered by our team to make our customers' lives easier. Let's move on to our PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets, built for adaptability. They can be cut, folded along safe marked lines, and shaped to fit irregular layouts. This flexibility makes them ideal for installations where a rigid panel may not fit or where architectural details and dimensions are constantly changing, necessitating a more field-flexible solution. These projects typically involve setups such as feature walls, retail displays, stretched fabric systems, translucent materials, and custom architectural elements. We're placing the sheets behind different materials, including thicker stone and thin acrylic. The result is smooth, even illumination from corner to corner. The PURALIGHT family includes updates designed for cleaner wiring and smoother setups. The updated layout grid and connector system make installation more intuitive and reduce on-site time. Full sheets of PURALIGHT can also be daisy-chained for larger projects, with optical options available to spread light even further. So let's address a common question our team receives. How do you know when to use one versus the other? And why does it matter? Light guide panels are rigid and inflexible in nature, but ideal for clean, evenly lit surfaces customized for the space, allowing for precise, specified dimensions, ensuring the light is edge to edge, corner to corner, and consistent across right angles or curvature, always producing dotless, uniformed, glare-free lighting with minimal to zero visual hotspots throughout the architectural detail. There is a trade-off between the precision and accuracy of uniform light and the finality of the design specifications, both in the dimensions of the architectural details being backlit and in the specified custom dimensions of the light guide panel. The dimensions for both must be determined much earlier in the project scope with confidence through final sign-off. With great flexibility and customization comes great responsibility for accurate measurements and communication between the project trades. PURALIGHT Flex Sheets offer greater flexibility with their field-cuttable printed circuit board design, similar to standard tape light solutions, but in a larger surface area sheet format, making it easier to shape lighting for tighter or more complex spaces. Both deliver smooth illumination, with the best choice depending on the space and design needs. This comparison shows where each product really shines. Light guide panels offer a clean, slim profile and are ideal for larger spaces and consistent shapes. PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets offer additional in-field flexibility and a modular design that works well in areas with irregular layouts. Both backlighting options deliver smooth, even illumination with the right diffuser. Just make sure to consider the project layout, available depth, and design requirements. And remember, you can always lean on the qualified team at Diode LED for your project needs. Project managing your space and design in advance will make the difference between an installation gone wrong and one that is a showstopper. It is important to keep a few of these project insight tips and tricks in mind when working with these types of product solutions. For PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets, ensure the substrate is clean and free of contaminants to ensure the 3M adhesive adheres properly. As you're cutting these sheets into custom, irregular shapes and designs, clearly mark the trim lines and consider the spacing between the light and the surface to be lit for even illumination. PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets consume quite a bit of power, so plan out your driver sizing and placement. A good rule of thumb is the 1-to-1 recommendation, one sheet to one driver. If the installer plans to use transparent acrylic or silicone spacers, a 3/4 inch spacer size is ideal. Lastly, since these sheets are not evenly diffused and instead feature more widely spaced LED chips, ensure you maintain a greater distance, 1 to 1.5 inches, between the light source and the surface to be lit. When working with light guide panels, start with a flat, supportive surface spaced from the panel between 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. That maintains even weight distribution, sizing the panel to fit the opening. A panel that fits perfectly into its cavity ensures even illumination across the entire surface, giving the application integrity. These panels are also non-field adjustable, so ensure the sizing is correct before ordering and installing. The more details, the better. A full set of plans and CAD drawings detailing power and wire drops is not only ideal, but also necessary for a smooth application. It is strategic to reference the multiple wire entry options in unison with the confirmed wire drops by utilizing the resources we offer through our spec sheets and installation guides on our website, diodeled.com. Materials commonly backlit, such as stone, can vary in color and translucency, which can affect the CCT experience, especially in natural stone, where no two are exactly the same. So it is best practice to acquire a tunable white panel sample to test under your stone and ensure you get the right Kelvin temperature. For example, a natural rainbow onyx stone can drastically change the appearance of the veining by shifting the light color temperature. A warmer CCT can visually wash out the color of the veining, making it aesthetically unpleasing, whereas a cooler, higher CCT can dramatically accentuate the true colors of the stone, bringing out its natural beauty. Lastly, these panels are made of etched acrylic, so ensure you do not damage the acrylic, as a crack will be seen as uneven light distribution under the surface meant to be lit. These installation and design best practices will help with a more professional project outcome. You've seen a few scenarios throughout this reel-to-reel that highlight the uniformity and edge lighting performance of our light guide panels and the customizable nature of our PURALIGHT LED Flex Sheets. You can now be confident that in your next project, backlighting elevates both residential and commercial spaces. Whether the surface is stone, fabric, acrylic, or printed graphics, the right backlighting system brings the design to life.
All right. So as you can see, I think just what we have coming down the pipeline, all of the stuff that we've already created that we have for this really expansive product portfolio, specifically for backlighting, is pretty exciting. You know, I really thought 2025 was our most ambitious year as a company, and to now know what's coming down the pipeline in 2026, this is going to be the year for Diode LED and some of the most amazing product solutions that we're coming here soon with you. And so stay tuned for all of that, where we'll be doing dedicated reel-to-reels in this series for those different product releases. I always want to make this a call to action here. We're going to kind of open up some questions here in a second, but as you see, we are always looking for those beautiful application shots. So if you have any that you have not sent in, please share those with us. You can send that to marketing@diodeled.com. Also, it's always best if you have a before shot as well. So being able to showcase, you know, kind of the chaos and the construction that went into that project, and then that beautiful shot that we can actually put on the website would be awesome. Also, be plugged in here. Make sure you're going on our YouTube channel, plug into all the different other series, share this video, like, comment, subscribe, okay? Get plugged in. We have so much more video and media content coming down. So let's get into some housekeeping here and talk about some of the other training opportunities and resources. So this year, we have kind of changed up the strategy with our factory training. So in previous years, we used to have the standard and intermediate training combined. So it would be a 2-day factory training. The first day was the standard factory training. The second day was the intermediate factory training. Today now, moving forward, we are going to have 3 standard factory trainings, 3 intermediate factory trainings, and 3 advanced factory trainings. Each of these trainings will be 2 days each, and so you can now reach out to your rep if you want to get more info, or you can go on the website, diodeled.com, and there will be a section under resources where you can click training. That will showcase all of the different training opportunities we have, both factory training as well as virtual. If you click factory training, it will take you to a landing page that talks about, you know, what you will learn, the agenda. I mean, I'm talking about full-on agenda on when you should arrive, when the transportation is going to take you there from and to the office, all of that good stuff. So please register there if you need to. We will pay for all landed expenses. So you just have to pay for your airfare to get there, and then we will take care of everything else from meals, social events, transportation, hotel accommodation. So very excited for what's to come here for factory training in 2026. Just a couple quick shots of us doing a lot of hands-on assembly in these factory trainings. You're going to get a tour of the facility. We have a bunch of brand new things that we're going to be able to showcase with new machines, new different types of kind of really cool applications that we can showcase our products being used in. And then talking about field training. So with field training, to this day, we are very active getting into the field and going and targeting all different territories across the country. You know, I think we have done something around 75 field trainings in the last 2 years. So we will come to your territory, reach out to your rep if you have an opportunity. These are not sales presentations masked as trainings. These are long format, classroom style field trainings where it is 3 hours, very much almost like a piece, a carved out piece of what you would get at a factory training, where we are getting into system design, troubleshooting, actually building out products. So very excited about that. Please reach out to your rep if you're interested in more for field training in your territory. Okay, just a couple cool pictures. We like to have a lot of fun as well, do some top golf, whack some golf balls afterwards, open bar, great catered dinner. and then our virtual and media training. So please visit YouTube, our YouTube account, diodeled.com. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment on these videos. We have a bunch of different built-out series, from the Reel-to-Reel series, which is our longest active series to date, to the Why It Matters series, our Light Lab series, all these different media series that is educational in nature. All right, well, with that, very excited, as you can see, on kind of the new style of reel-to-reels. I hope you enjoyed it and you got more value out of these. Be tuned in, guys. There are so many things coming in the pipeline for 2026. We are trying to bring reels of tape light to real life. And so with that, I am Cam, Senior National Training Manager at Diode LED, and I'll see you on the next one.